Good morning, students. Today I will teach you another method of subtraction. Okay, and this method is called what? Subtracting by crossing backward. Okay, so here you can see 6 girls are standing, right? So if I subtract 2 girls, okay, then how many girls will left behind? So what I said, that 6 girls are there and we have to subtract 2 girls, okay, from 6. So how many girls will left behind? How we can find it? By this method, that is crossing backward. Okay, so let's find it. So as I said, 6 girls are there and you have to subtract 2 girls. Okay, so how we will do this one? So 6 is there, okay, and we'll now add 2, okay, from 6. So now we'll what? We'll move in a backward direction. Okay, suppose 6 is there, then the number that is placed before 6. Okay, what is the number that placed before 6? 5, right? Now what is the number that placed before 5? It will be 4, right? So like that only will cross in backward direction. Okay, so 6 is there, okay, will not count this 6. Okay, we have to subtract 6 and 2, right? So now we'll go in backward direction. Okay, or I can say we have to write the predecessor. Okay, and how many steps we have to move? 2 steps. So before 6 we know that 5 is there, and before 5 we know that 4 is there. Okay, so where we reach now? We reached in number 4, right? So 6 minus 2 will be what? 4. Are you getting my point? Okay, one more example I will tell you. Now suppose 2-digit number is there, 89, right? And you have to subtract 89 and 5. Okay, so how will you do this one? We'll use what? Subtracting by crossing backward. That means we will move in backward direction. Okay, and how many steps we will move? 5 steps we will move. So 89 is there. Before 89, what will be the number? This one we will not count, right? So before 89, 88, right? Before 88, 87, right? Before 87, 86. Before 86, 85, and before 85, 84. Now see how many steps we go in backward direction. So first step, second, third, fourth and fifth, and we have to go what? How many steps back? 5 steps back, right? So now we reach where? In 84. So our answer will be what? 84. Okay, so this is how we can do subtraction by crossing backward. Okay, you have to keep this number in your mind and you have to move in a backward direction. Okay, that means you have to write the before number. Okay, and it depends with which number you are subtracting. Okay, so I hope you have understood this method, how we can subtract, right, by crossing backward. Okay, so now we'll do some questions that are given in your book. Okay, now see page 172, exercise 1. And here you have to subtract by counting backward. Okay, so we have to go in backward direction. Okay, so now let's do this one. So the first one is what? 82 minus 1. That means 82 is the number, and how many steps we have to go in backward direction? 1 step, because 1 is there. We have to subtract it with 1. So we'll start from 82, but will not count 82. So after 82, just move 1 step back. You will get what? 81, right? So the answer of this one will be what? 81, right? Okay, now let's move to B part. So 69 is there, and you have to subtract it from 5, right? So now we'll write 69 and will not count this one. Okay, now we have to move 5 steps back, because here 5 is there, right? So now we'll start 1 step. So the number that is placed before 69, it will be 68. The number that is placed before 68, it will be 67. The number that is placed before 67, it will be 66. The number that is placed before 66, it will be 65. And the number that is placed before 65, it will be 64. Now count how many steps we go backward. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So we reach this one, 5 number step. So the number that is placed in 5 number step is what? 64. So we can write 64 here. Okay. Okay. Now see C part. So 96 is there, and we have to subtract it with 4, right? So now we'll start from 96, but we will not count this one, right? We'll go, or we'll move 4 steps back. Okay, backward direction we have to count. So before 96, 95 is there. Before 95, 94 is there. Before 94, 93 is there. And before 93, 92 is there. So just count the steps. 1, 2, 3 and 4. This one is what? 4th number step. So in 4th number step, what we got? 92. So this will be what? Our answer. Okay. So now you will do what? D, E and F in your classwork copy. Is it clear? Okay. Now see, some properties are given. Okay, properties of subtraction. So the first property is what? Subtracting 0 from any number gives the number itself. That means if we subtract any number from 0, we'll get the same number. If 9 minus 0 is there, then we'll get 9. If 8 minus 0 is there, we'll get 8. So if we subtract any number from 0, okay, or I can say if 0 is subtracted from any number, then we'll get the same number. Okay, this one is what? The first property. Second property is what? Subtracting any number from itself gives 0. So if we subtract same numbers, then the answer will be what? 0. So if I subtract 9 minus 9, we'll get 0, because these two are same number, right? So if I subtract 6 minus 6, I will get what? 0, because both the numbers are what? Same. Okay, this is what the second property. Okay, now see exercise 2. One question it is given, subtract 8 minus 0. So if we subtract any number, right, with 0, what number we will get? What will be the answer? The answer will be the number itself, right? So we'll get 8 only, because now only I have discussed. Okay, now see B part. 8 minus 8. If we subtract 8 from 8, then what answer we will get? See, both are same numbers, right? So we'll get what? 0. Okay, now how we will get 0? Suppose 8 rounds are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And you have to cut 8 rounds. Okay, 8 circles are there and you have to cut all 8 circles. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now how many circles are left behind? 0, right? So that's why if we subtract any number with that same number, we'll get the answer what? 0. Okay, now C and D, you will do it in your classwork copy. Okay, so that's all for today. I hope you have understood about the third method, that is subtraction by counting backward. Okay, and the properties of subtraction.